Hello students, the question is which one of the following statement regarding the enzyme inhibition is correct? A. Competitive inhibition is seen when substrate competes with an enzyme for binding to an inhibitor protein. B. Competitive inhibition is seen when the substrate and the inhibitor compete for active site of enzyme. C. Non-competitive inhibition of an enzyme can be overcome by adding a large amount of substrate. D. Non-competitive inhibition often bind to the enzyme irreversibly. So बच्चे क्वेश्चन में क्या है, एंजाइम इनिबिशन से रिलेटेड हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में कहा गया है कॉम्पिटिटिव इनिबिशन. कॉम्पिटिटिव इनिबिशन मीन्स व्हेन सेम टाइप ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट बाइंड्स टू अ सिंगल एंजाइम. और यहाँ क्या लिखा है, is seen when substrate competes with an enzyme for binding to inhibitor protein. No, for binding to active site. एक्टिव साइट पे सबस्ट्रेट बाइंड करता है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. Competitive inhibition is seen when the substrate and inhibitor competes for active site of enzyme. Yes, both the substrate and the inhibitor are almost similar in the structure and they compete for the single active site of an enzyme to bind. This is competitive inhibition. C is non-competitive inhibition of an enzyme can be overcome by adding large amount of substrate. No, it cannot be overcome because they both have, suppose this is a enzyme where non-competitive inhibition occur, one substrate binds here to this active site and another inhibitor enzyme substrate binds to another active site, and only at one time only one can bind. If we increase the concentration of main substrate, we cannot overcome the non-competitive inhibition because the active site for the two enzymes is different. So this statement is again wrong. Non-competitive inhibition often binds to the enzyme irreversibly. No, they bind at different active site but not irreversibly. They bind reversibly. So this statement is again wrong. And the correct answer is option B. Thank you.